So, I made a large purchase of polishes. I want to explain what's going on here. This is the Double Rhythm collection of some neons and pastels. I probably don't need this, but I do like to, I think I have two Double Rhythm products and I really love them, but wait till you see the colors in this collection. So this was listed as $89.99, I think, on Amazon. And there may have been like a 10% coupon or something. So this is going to be 24 colors and then 4 additional. So not 4 colors. So it's going to be like, I think 2 tops, 1 base, and something else. We'll see. So the other 4 are not colored. But I wanted to share it with you because I have been so waiting for this collection. And this comes with its own swatches, like already done. So let's look at it together. All right, let's look at it together. I'm very aware I don't need any more colored polishes, but when you see it, I think you guys will agree with me. I feel like you will. Let's look at it together. All right. So not sponsored, no affiliation with Double Rhythm, but here is the swatch card. The candy polishes do that as well. They give you the ready-made swatch card, and I love that they do that. So what they do is, here, let me see if I can give you a full view of it. What they do is they show you each color, and this is wrapped in saran wrap, so I'm not going to take it off just yet, but they show you each color, and then they show you what it would look like mattified. So I don't even have to do swatches. You can see them right here. It's a beautiful, vibrant collection. Here at the bottom is the 12. Yeah, the 12 neons and the 12 pastels. And I cannot wait. I can't wait to do some Easter nails with these and just flat out like vibrant summer color, summer nails with these. All right, so it's really nice that they give you this, and it's framed and everything. It's very, very nice. Oh, and in the back, it's got a little stand if you were someone that wanted to put that in your salon or something. And here's the reveal, guys. The bottles that Double Rhythm has, they're really, really pretty. They remind me, well, I saw these first before I saw those, correct me if I'm wrong, XEI, I don't know how to pronounce it. I wish somebody would tell me. But anyway, let's look at these bottles. So they have beautiful, beautiful bottles. So they've got the metallic top, and where it says Double Rhythm is metallic. And then the color of the bottle is the color of the polish. I'll just open one for you. I just know I'm going to be using these every chance I get. Oh, that's what the other one is. So I mentioned it had 2 tops, a base, and the additional one is a builder gel. So this is something you can use to add strength or structure to a nail, and it's just simply a clear, thick gel. I'm over the moon, cannot wait for, to use these. This top coat is supposed to be anti-yellowing, anti-scratch, and all the things, super, super glossy. And it's nice that it comes with 2, which makes sense because you have a million polishes here. So it's non-wipe as well, the top coats. So you definitely need more than 1 top coat to coat all these polishes. I guess something I'm thinking about when I'm looking at this collection is, do I need 2 coats for these polishes? So what I think I'm going to do in this video is just sample a couple, not a couple. Let's sample 5. We'll sample 5 polishes. We'll do our own swatches, and just to find out if we need 1 or 2 coats. You know what I mean? We want to know what the tea is, and we want to, I hope it's just a 1 coat polish. I'm not expecting that, but that's my hopes. These colors are just to die for. And I'm so excited about the time of year where we get to wear all these colors and do such fun nail art. So, gosh, I am so excited to have this. Okay, so I'm going to put these aside. I'm going to take out, no, 5 would be like not an even number because we want to do 3 and 3. So I'll get 3 of the pastels. I'll get 3 of the fluorescent colors. We'll do some swatches on our own and see how they, see if they self-level and all that. And we will test it for ourselves. We are not accepting other people's reviews in this situation. You guys, I don't know about you, but I just love seeing a collection, a colored collection like this. I would love to know if you have already tried Double Rhythm, one of these collections, the big collections like this. And I'd love to know what you think about their products, the builder, the colors they look vibrant to me. I even opened some bottles, so I'm very excited to see. I'd be shocked if I don't like this, these colors, or if I don't like the product itself. But let me know what you think. I want to know what your experience is with Double Rhythm. Yeah, Double Rhythm polishes. I'm going to set this to the side and get some swatch sticks out, and we will do this together. So I'll be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Okay, so I picked out 3 of each. I got 3 pastels, and then I got 3 of the neons. I don't know if I picked the right ones, to show you guys, but I felt these might be a good representation. So let's get on with this. I am so excited just to see these kind of colors, even though when I look outside my window, there is snow on the ground because it was 21 degrees in central Texas and it snowed. What a way to come back into town. Okay, so let's get on with this one. This is like a neon blue. Well, not like, it is. This is the neon blue. And we're going to check it out with 1 coat. Now that's not bad. Not bad at all. What is happening? What is happening over here? It's pooling, and this is the reason why I switched to these almond swatchers, is because they don't have I've mentioned it before in other videos. Oh, here's one I can show you. So the squared kind, I guess they're kind of squared. They have this that it goes up at the end and then the polish just comes back down, and sometimes it pulls around the edges. This one has the same thing. I cannot undersee, so the polish goes up a little. Anyway, it self-levels pretty well. I wonder if I should just put a little more over here. I don't know. Let's just put this one under the lamp. But it is a beautiful blue, a very, very beautiful blue. Perhaps I should put it over the white. Yeah, very, very pretty. Okay, let's move on. We got 6 to go. I can't just focus the whole video on one. All right, so there's that one. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm only doing 1 coat because the color swatch board that it comes with has 2 already. So I just want us to be able to see the polish as it's being painted so you guys can make your own. Look how gorgeous, guys. So pretty. You guys can make your own decisions, okay? So I have some of these that not these. I have neon colors that I got from let's say it's Rargism or something like that from about 6 months ago. And I liked it. I liked the set, but they were rather transparent. So you did have to go in with I'm going to say you had to do 3, for it to kind of make 3 coats for it to really show through the way that this one is showing through. Okay, so that's the pink. And last but not least, this gorgeous, there's 2 of these. One is more of a yellow. Here, let me show you the 2. The 2 that it's in between. So there's these 2 colors as well. But I guess this one would go kind of like this, right? It's definitely not close to this, but these two are quite similar. And this one seems to be the brightest. But let's open them both just so we can look at them kind of side by side. There's that one. This one I believe has a little bit more green. Yeah, so this has a little bit more green in it. All right, so we'll put this one aside and we'll do this one next. This is definitely the fun summer colors that hopefully we'll be seeing when the summer comes or even before. I'm ready right now. Let's do this. Ready to start going to the pool again. Okay, fantastic. Really, really, really nice. My opinion. Awesome. Okay. So that's them. And then let's look at these pastels, which will probably get use before these neons will. Oh, it just makes me so happy. Just to look at those colors just makes me so happy. And these remind me of an Easter egg. So let's start on these. This is a beautiful purple, very similar to my, or lavender rather, right? Similar to my gloves. Just as I suspected. Very beautiful. Very opaque. Really nice. We got two more. We've got like a mint green that is also giving me just Easter spring vibes. And by the way, the lint was definitely on the, let me put this back, hold on. The lint was on here before I could see it, just as I was setting the brush down to the swatch nail, whatever you call these things. I saw it happening. I couldn't stop it. It was too late. But yeah, that lint was all right. That's a hell of a lot of lint. Okay. Must have been a sweater I was wearing yesterday. I don't know. Lint is always here. Even though I have an air purifier, I try to do everything to prevent that, but nope, to no avail. There's that green. And, should I do the yellow? Let me look at a couple more. We've got peach. We have, I already did the green, right? Yeah. And it has a couple of greens. So real quick, let me just show you these two. So these are the two pastel greens. And then here's a beautiful peach. Let's open that one. Yeah, I just got something very similar to this in my So Lovely haul. It was the mystery box. All right. What should we... All right, let's stick to the plan. I hate when I start going back and forth on things the way that I do. Okay. Oh, but this is a cool one. Okay. I definitely don't have a color like this. Man, I need to start wiping down these swatch sticks first. So pretty. And I have that polish. I bought it last year and I don't even think I ever used it. I have the polish. I'm looking at it right now. It looks like little speckled eggs. Let's put some on there. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, so let's see here. We've got the lavender one. So these are cured already, but they don't have a top coat on them. So let's see, do I go in with the, it's from Mitzi, And they're just little, oh, well, they already have the color, I guess. For some reason I thought it was, so they already have the color, that's fine. We'll just go over it. And it just makes your nails, so it's just, I think it's just the black peppered, which I have a bottle of that. I actually have a couple of different brands that make the black speckled, peppered, whatever you call it. And then it looks like a little Easter egg. Is that adorable or what? This lavender and this little bottle was similar. So that is so cute. What is this, a taupe? Yeah, I never used these, not once. But they certainly are gonna be coming out of the, I'm gonna have to dust them off. They'll be coming out this spring. Okay, so here they are. They're all cured. And gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this purchase, and I'm happy to put them to use soon. I'd say it's a pretty good buy. Let me do the math real quick. It was, so they're $90 for 28 bottles. 90 divided by 28. So it's about $3.21 each bottle. And they're full-sized. They're full-size bottles. They're not like the little ones. So I can appreciate that. And I can appreciate just having all the colors here all at once. And, you know, you don't have to buy each one singularly. Because, like, even I would say each Rarism bottle, the 15 milliliter bottle is $7, let's say, on Amazon. So not bad. Not bad at all. I think that was a good buy, considering. And if you're somebody trying to build up your collection. Excuse me. So I think that does it for this video. I'm so glad you guys hung out with me to open up this double rhythm collection. And let's see, I can't wait to put these to use. And I'm going to say goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.